I have been meditating seriously for over a year now, and I can genuinely say that it has changed my life for the better. No, I have not reached enlightenment, but I have learned how to be more mindful through meditation. I have learned how to better understand my internal self and observe how it coincides with my external self. I have learned in most situations how to be more passive and thoughtful as opposed to more aggressive or irrational. Quite frankly, meditation has taught me a lot, and I believe it can teach others a lot as well. That is why I want to share with you 7 reasons why you should meditate every day. But before that, if you are new here, please consider subscribing in order not to miss any of our future uploads. Being mindful means that you are more aware of your thoughts and your actions in general. Unless you are in a heightened state of awareness, you can't observe your thoughts rationally. Meditation offers you the time to reflect on your thoughts and focus mainly on your breathing and some other aspects of your being. It gives you the awareness to refocus your mind on the present moment as opposed to the past or the future. This kind of awareness is a useful skill as you progress throughout your daily life. You experience stress just like everyone else. Some stress is unavoidable and therefore not so toxic. Too much stress can be unhealthy and damaging if you are not able to combat it. Meditation is a quiet time you should dedicate to yourself every day. Use deep inhales and exhales to refocus your attention on being in the moment. The stress isn't going to go away automatically, but you will observe a transformation in the amount of stress you accumulate. Simply closing your eyes and steadily breathing has a tremendous effect, especially when you acknowledge stressful situations arising. You don't really want to abdicate all your power to your emotions, do you? I think it is safe to say that, like most people, you want to have more control over your emotions. When you are happy, you want to express those emotions freely. At the same time, you may want to express emotions of anger, sadness, and grief, but under your own control. You have the right to express any emotion you want as long as you are in control of the feeling or the emotion. Too often, people lose control over their emotions and they simply accept it. Don't allow the various archetypes of your mind to seize your power of emotions. Learn how to react skillfully in a stressful situation by taking the time to simply observe what the mind is doing. It is only meditation that will give you the opportunity to do this. The more you meditate, the more you will notice the thoughts or actions that trigger the emotions you might not find desirable. Unless you make the effort to observe your thoughts and attempt to understand what the mind is doing, you are never going to learn about your inner self. As you gain more awareness of your thoughts, actions, and emotions, you will notice that you will make better decisions. Instead of merely reacting to adverse situations, you will obtain a more useful comprehension of what's going on in your mind. This comprehension arms you with the skill to think before you act and therefore make a purposeful decision that will help you. Unless maybe you enjoy living in an extremely fast pace, you are going to want to slow down and enjoy living. Meditation arms you with the ability to take life gradually. Life is not a sprint, it is a marathon. Don't rush through it and miss out on things you are going to regret later. Slow down your mind first and everything else will follow suit. Who doesn't want to be happier and feel more contentment with life? Meditating consistently is a great way to open up your eyes to your life and really feel the experience all the life has to offer you. It will help you to appreciate the life more and feel more connected with the world in which you live in. I wouldn't be imploring you to meditate if I didn't believe that it works. There is a ton of science behind the benefit of meditation. It is proven that long-term meditation practitioners are more adept to dealing with the flows of life. The time between thoughts gradually increases as you meditate, which invites the opportunity for you to consider your thoughts more carefully and perhaps rationally. The physical benefit of meditation include decreased blood pressure and lower level of anxiety, as well as an overall healthier immune system. Besides the mental benefit, meditation has the capacity to broaden your consciousness, which in turn will grant you the ability to understand your feelings and your thoughts more. And the more conscious you become through meditation, the more control you are going to have over your emotions, and the more likely you are going to choose to live happily. Therefore, commit to meditating every day, and I know it will change your life as it's changed mine. You see, the reason why I love meditation is that you don't have to pay a cent for it. Therefore, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel also in order not to miss any of our future uploads. And until then, as always, hand to head, salute.